Well, guys, today was a nice day of trading. I'm back down here in the Keys, trading from paradise, loving it. And today we traded BTBT. Check it out. Alright guys, well today was a really nice day of trading. I can't really complain. We nailed BTBT in chat this morning, and I'm out here trading from the ocean side of the Keys. I love it down here for sure. And we're just enjoying our time out here, doing some stuff to the house as well, and taking my trades in the morning. This morning we nailed BTBT. I just noticed right now, I got back to my desk and saw that BTBT went absolutely insane during lunchtime. Now, I'm not going to get crazy and mad about it or anything like that, because the reality is, even if I was at my desk, I wasn't going to trade it during lunchtime. But it's nice to see this kind of volume still in the small caps. Looking forward to trading tomorrow again. Now in this one, we're going to go over TYME, BTBT, and a few other tickers on the watch list. Also, I'm going to let you know and show you the plans on how I traded BTBT, along with the orders, and more importantly, how the team did in chat today. Now, before we move any further, do me a quick favor, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section. Let me know how you did today. And remember, Wednesday this week, we're going to be live on YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and get into the charts. Hey guys, well, great morning here today. I had to reshoot the recap. Didn't save properly, but I want to get it up here on YouTube for you. So I reshot it here. I'm reshooting it right now. We're going to do the recap on today's trades. And today, here is the results of the poll. 75% of traders were green today. 25% didn't trade, and no one was red, no one was break even. So great showing by the daytraderchatroom.com. You guys killed it today when we ran our polls this morning, and it was just pretty much all about one or two trades. I know Adrian caught a real nice one on TYME when we called out this one right here, and we'll recap this one first, because this one was one of the first ones on our watch list this morning. This morning we had TYME on watch. Here's the watch list from this morning. We had IMV, XBIO, NAOV, TYME all on watch. We're watching TYME to see if it would hold that 140, 138 area. And the low of day today on TYME is 145. So right in front of that 140 area, we held support. And by this time, I had already taken my trades. And since I'm on my travel station, I didn't want to really follow up much more with trades. And we were already doing our recap this morning. But right here, when we popped up right through VWAP, we had a very nice increase in volume. And the stock just took off. You could see here we pulled in and held VWAP. And after holding VWAP, we just pushed straight up. Pulled in again, held VWAP yet again after that 9 AMA VWAP cross. And this thing just boomed right to $2. Really, really nice trade here. I know some of you caught a piece of that, and when you called it out in chat, letting us know that you caught a piece of that, I was super happy to see that, because it was right off the watch list, and that was a very, very nice clean setup on the chart. Next, we also had IMV on watch. IMV, tried apparently to pop its head up above here on VWAP throughout lunchtime, but it has not been able to hold. No trades for me on that one. We also had XBIO, because I figured if XBIO would get some potential attention in the morning if nothing popped off, and it tried. It really did. If you come here and you scroll back some, you'll see this morning's action. We kind of did a nice little move up here through VWAP, pulled in, tried to hold right here, but it just couldn't. It collapsed in on itself here, and that was it for XBIO. Now, it's not one that I would just write off, based on the daily or anything like that. I think XBIO still has some potential this week, so I'll definitely continue to keep it on watch. I also had NAOV on watch, but nothing there for me on it. I mean, NAOV, monster mover on Friday, but it just couldn't hold up today for continuation. But you also have to keep things in perspective, guys. Look at where this stock came from. 70 some odd cents all the way up here to, actually in pre-market it hit like $4, and then in market hours here right around 376, 375. Just a monster mover in 2 days. So you really can't expect a whole lot out of that one. Now, with all those out of the way, I was just watching the scans. I really didn't see anything that was making big moves that I liked until BTBT started to hit the scans. And oh wow, this one really went crazy here. during lunchtime. What a shame that it went so nuts during lunchtime. We traded this one in the morning right here, and it was a very, very nice clean trade. And the reason why I went after BTBT was simply because it's a Bitcoin play. Bitcoin is making moves because of all the rumors going around with Amazon accepting, I guess, Bitcoin as payment. And this morning, we had a nice gap up. It does have news that it's increasing its hash rate, so it's increasing its mining capacities. And what you have here is just some sideways consolidation. Sideways consolidation, found support, at the 9 AMA, right in there. And then we got a nice pop through VWAP on, look, I had even drawn it here on a nice big old increase in volume, okay? On a nice big old increase in volume, we had that nice pop through VWAP right in here. Then we pulled in, and where did we find support? Right there at the 9 MA in the VWAP area, 530s, okay? And those 530s. And that area more or less coincides with this line here of support that I drew during the market hours, all right? I drew that, during market hours, not in pre-market. Right in this candle here, I chose to get long, and then we wrote it up. I took about 3 or 4 take profits, I think. Took some profits off right there just as we were getting up to the highs, some profits off through the highs, all right? And I'll get you the alerts here real quick so we can go over those. Long, let me zoom in on them a little bit. Long BTBT 540, stop 525 area, taking some profits 554, taking more profits 550, taking more profits 565, and then finally flat at 571. So that was a very, very nice clean trade, getting flat as we squeezed up here in that 571 area, final take profit. So I was happy with that trade. I don't really like trading the Bitcoin plays. I just don't like trading those Bitcoin stocks much. But this setup was very nice and clean. You had the pullback on the decreasing volume. You had the break above VWAP on increasing volume. Then you had the pullback into VWAP on decreasing volume. Then you just had that real nice move through the highs with extension, big volume coming in. And that was just a real nice banger of a trade. Now I see here, obviously in the afternoon, this thing went absolutely, absolutely insane. I'll tell you, I'll be the first one to say I was not expecting BTBT to make that kind of move today. Not that I would have traded it, I'll be honest with you, because I don't think I would have gotten in here anywhere long in lunchtime, during lunchtime on this thing. So I'm not going to be mad I missed out on this simply because I know myself and I was not going to trade it during lunch. I wasn't even at my desk, so it's part of the game. So there we go. Real nice trade today on BTBT. Left a ton on the table, but caught the bulk of the morning move at least. So I'm happy with that. First trade of the summer travel season for me. I just started traveling down in the Keys, and I'll enjoy that. Green, take it and book it. If you guys are interested, description section and comment section, 5-day trial, thedaytraderchatroom.com. Well, guys, I had to get in the shade a little bit here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about how that trade went and why I took the trade, if you have any questions, period, about the setup, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer it for you. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.